it's me again. When I went over the border last week, I found something really funny. I thought it was, you probably already noticed it exists, but Kentucky Fried Chicken. Does it really say Beyond Fried Chicken? Beyond Fried Chicken made from plants? Because chickens are made from plants. I thought it was funny. I had to keep the box. Like, it was just, this is fucking ridiculous. It's crazy. It's even got chicken dust in here. But yeah, it's funny as I guess they're making fun of, what do they call it, Beyond Meat. So, brought that back to show you. I'm sure everybody in America's seen this, but we don't have this shit in Canada. It literally sucks in Canada. But so that's my first little short video making. Hope you like that one.